In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive Sync on Windows 11. If you're seeing files constantly syncing in the background, or you simply want to pause cloud updates on this PC, the most reliable way to stop OneDrive from syncing is to unlink it from your computer. Unlinking doesn't delete your files. Anything already on your PC stays right where it is, and anything in the cloud remains in your OneDrive online. It just stops the automatic connection between the two on this device. Start by opening File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key and E together. In the left-hand sidebar, find your OneDrive folder. It usually has a cloud icon next to it and your organization or personal label. Click it once so it's selected. Then right-click the OneDrive folder to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the OneDrive entry and hover your mouse over it. A small sub-menu will appear. Choose Settings. If you don't immediately see the OneDrive option, you may need to click Show More Options to reveal the classic menu, then hover over OneDrive and select Settings there. This takes you straight into the OneDrive Settings panel. Inside the OneDrive window, go to the Account tab. You'll notice other tabs for general preferences and backup, but Account is where the link between your PC and the cloud is managed. Here, you'll see information about the account that's currently connected. To turn off syncing on this device, click Unlink this PC. OneDrive will ask you to confirm. When you proceed, OneDrive stops syncing files on this computer. Your local OneDrive folder remains, but it will no longer upload new changes or download updates from the cloud. Anything that was already synced stays accessible on your PC, and you can still reach all your files at onedrive.com from any browser. For demonstration purposes, I won't actually complete the unlink on my machine, but those are the exact steps you'll follow. After unlinking, you can always reconnect later by opening OneDrive and signing in again. That will reestablish sync and let you choose which folders you want on this device. A quick tip before you finalize. If you see the sync icon spinning on important files, consider giving them a moment to finish so your latest changes are safely in the cloud. Once you're confident everything you need is up to date, go ahead and unlink. And that's it. Open File Explorer, right-click the OneDrive folder, hover over OneDrive, select Settings, go to Account, and choose Unlink. You've successfully turned off OneDrive Sync on Windows 11.